Okay, now you might have had where you go to press your gas door, so that way it'll open, and you'll hear it clicks, but it doesn't open. That means the spring on the inside has broken. So hopefully you have somebody who can help you by using a piece of cardboard or something where someone can pry it open as you press the button. But if you don't, this is what you're going to need to do to get this open by yourself to replace that clip. So what I got was some string, something that I had, and I'm going to tie a loop around it and put it through the door and be able to pull as I'm pressing the button on the inside. So I'm just going to take this and make a simple slip knot on it. That way as I pull, it'll get tighter. If I need, I can make it bigger. And then we're going to wrap this around the door. So we're going to take this, we're going to make our loop really big, and we're going to stick it in, bring it around like this. We want to be on the back side of the door. Of course it's windy. This would be way easier trying not to hold the camera. Alright, I'm going to try and do this again while holding the camera by starting here. I'm going to put my finger there to hold it. Going to start, bring it in, hold it at the top, pull it down, and I'm going to make it tight. I have the string tied to the gas can. I'm going to press the button, and now it's open. So now I was able to open this up so I can replace this part right here that is broken. That's the spring. So by this part right here, we're going to pull it out and take a look at it to see that it's got a little clip and another one right here. So that's going to show us how taking it out should go. Comparing it to the piece here, it looks like it's gonna slide on this way and snap in that way, because that mirrors how it goes. So the reverse option, the reverse action of putting it in and snapping it down is what we should have to do to put the new one in. If we look, I'm going to open this. There is a little clip right here, which I just have a flathead screwdriver. And I'm going to put that in and pull that out. And I'm going to take and snap, and that's gone. So that is our broken piece, and this is our good piece. So going in should be just the same. We're going to take it, we're going to slide it in, and a little bit of finagling, and it's going to go in, and we're just going to take and push it in. Now that clip has the spring on it, and we can close our door, come back in, press our fuel button, and it opens. Now this is how you're going to fix your Toyota gas door when that spring breaks.